Alright guys, so it was good. So it's the next day, it's Tuesday. So today I'm gonna finish this engine bay real quick and then I'm gonna get the car pretty much ready. So when Christian comes tomorrow, all he has to do is primer, seal up the little spots he has to do, and then we're gonna paint the jams tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get as much done. So yes sir. So far, let's see a little better with the daylight now. So today I'm gonna finish up this side of the engine bay, and then I'm gonna run to the store to pick up some mixing cups and strainers. That way tomorrow when Christian comes, all he has to do is primer these little spots. So I'm gonna mask it, probably pick up some paper, or I think Christian said he's gonna bring some. So, and then yeah, so I'm gonna sand those little spots and then get it ready for him. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, so this was the damage on the bumper. It was like a spider crack here, so sanded that down. Now I'm just gonna do a little bit of body work on it and then sand it down, leave it ready for Christian to primer it tomorrow. It's been like 30 minutes since I applied it, so just been organizing now. So this was my toolbox from home, because basically this is the only toolbox I had here. This is the one I used to have where I used to work at. So I pretty much bought this box not too long ago, so it wasn't really full. So basically this is my toolbox that was full that I used at home. So I passed all my tools from here to my snap-on box, and then I'm just gonna use this cheap Harbor Freight box as my Bondo cart. So basically what I have here is I have all my plastic, I have stuff I use for bays, then I have all the paint, sealers, primers and all that down there, tapes up here, glazes, hardeners, spot putties, heat gun just to speed up processes. But yeah, so what I'm doing. So basically now in this toolbox I have all my sockets and wrenches, and here I have all my screwdrivers, and then I have all my pliers in there. Here I have all brake line stuff, fittings, benders. Here I have all my electrical stuff. And then at the bottom we have all the power tools. So yeah, pretty much. I mean, I don't have much. I don't have a full-on shop, but I've just been piecing together tools little by little. But I mean, it's getting me through all this work that I've been doing, so pretty thankful for that. I mean, I got my welders, got pretty much everything I need to work. And I don't have exactly everything, but there's a few things I still want to buy, but I'll go buying that little by little. But that's where we are right now. I'm gonna finish this bumper and then start finishing up that bay. See what parts we have in today. Show you guys everything we got for the coupe. Boxes in, so I'm gonna open these up and show you guys what I got in here, and then I'll show you guys what I also got in yesterday that I came in from ICB, and I only posted it to throw it off a little bit, but if you watch this vlog, you're gonna know what it is. So yes sir, I'm gonna show you guys what's in there, and then I'll show you guys what came in the other package yesterday. Wow, this is gonna make a mess. So that's what we got in the mail. It's gonna be the Track Life fiberglass 3 1/4 inch wide composite fenders, and then these have some cutouts that go down here. So I'll show you guys that later on. And then this is what came in from ICB yesterday. So it's a carbon Kevlar J-Blood bumper. So shout out ICB for that. I'll show you guys, you know what I'm saying? It's legit, straight from ICB. So I didn't want the carbon bottom, but they didn't have a carbon bottom, and it'd take like 3 months to make it. So they had, the only one that they had in stock was a Kevlar one, and it was the last one. So I hopped on it, and it's gonna be real worth it when I put all these parts in the car. So stay tuned. It's gonna look real nice when we get to painting this, but we're gonna finish the CRX, and then this is gonna be what we do next. And then obviously we got a couple more projects to keep going, keep working. But this door jamb all prepped up, not fully done, but just got it scuffed enough to see any little imperfection. So whatever I seen, fixing. So, and then I did put some putty on that now, so gonna wait for that to dry up, and then I'll sand that down, and then I'll finally give some 800 around the whole door jamb again, and then I'll scuff it, and that'll be ready to go. So for now, while that dries, I'm gonna do the bay, and then yeah, bumper's all done. Already finished the body work on that, and then this is already all scuffed and ready to go. So just gotta sand these little spots that they were like road chips, but that's nothing, we usually do that. Alright guys, so pretty much this is where we end up for today. I got the engine bay completely done, all wet sanded. So this is just gonna get sealer now, so sealing all the edges that are burned through, or any little things that were left behind. So it's gonna get sealer, and then yeah, everything's already, all the spot putty that was applied yesterday is already all sanded. Everything's ready to go. Bumpers are done. The fenders are ready to go to get sprayed. Primer tomorrow. Got the rocker as well. Rocker's already ready to go. fixed that up, cleaned all that up nice. So, yep, tomorrow we'll just put some paper on it, and then Chris will be spraying it with primer. So, yeah, stay tuned, and then hope you guys like the parts that came in for the coupe. Let me know what you guys think below. But, yep, tomorrow will be another day. I'm out here, guys.